Alrighty, everybody, how are you? I hope you're good this morning. This is your 10 to 7 update. What do we got? Well, we finally got something of a capitulation dump yesterday. That's BTC down 10% from Sunday. That's a lot. And the main culprit is these guys. ETFs have been spitting out. And why have they been spitting out? Very simple. They're all rotating into here. And I've been saying to you for a couple of weeks now, boys and girls, you need to think about rotating yourself out of crypto from a trading perspective. If you're a long-term holder, this isn't even a dip in the landscape for you, right? But from a trading perspective, maybe you want to look at moving across NQs, QQQs, ES, gold, just something which has slightly more liquidity in it, where you don't get, days of nothing, whoosh. Okay. So there we go. Anyway, that's just my fourth penneth. That's what I'm doing personally. Is I'm just starting to trade NQ a bit more at the moment, whilst BTC is working out what it's going to do. And what is it going to do? Well, we've come into our green box at 66,000. We have bounced. And not only have we bounced, but we have bounced and we have broken structure. Is that a 15-minute? Oh, look at that. That looks like it's a 15-minute. I hadn't noticed. I had not noticed. It is. There you go. We've got a 15-minute break of structure, which will suggest that we're going to have some sort of relief rally here. Okay. My best guess is that it's going to be Wednesday today, and so therefore maybe we are going to move around Thursday, then Friday, and I think we'll probably get our main rally on Friday, come back up into here, and then that will be the decision time. Do we get this to hold base and we take our next leg up, which naturally would take us towards the 70, this where we were last week? And do they then rotate the week? That was Sunday, remember, guys? Was it Sunday? Yeah, Sunday. And do they then rotate the entire week? Okay, that would make sense to me, because if you look at the larger chart, what does the BTC like to do? Here we go. That's where we were in April. Stunk up, woo, boom, and they rotate the entire chart. On this, by the way, this is not cool. By the way, this is not groovy news for anybody. This is not a good look for crypto and BTC. If it done this is cool. Yeah, this shows structure. This shows people buying, positioning. This is just get the fuck out of there. All right, and given that it's ETFs as well, you're kind of like, that was going to be the thing which really enabled BTC to start to maintain stability and move, because it opens crypto to the larger market. But yeah. Anyway, so that is what I think I'd like to see. This would be nice, but I think we could base here in between these 2 points for a bit. Yep. Do ETFs sell off again today? I don't know. Maybe. It's tough to tell, really. There's no real signs. People just decide to get out of it. I think if we start to break 4 minutes in, if we start to if we lose the, if we start to lose this quickly and this quickly, then it's a short, sharp move to the fib at 58. But I would expect to see this and then maybe that. That would be good. I mean, maybe it's just going to be a straight 50% ish, which is within this red zone here. there is a little. This is a little single print from yesterday. The main one is here. So yeah, that's my guess. So yeah, okay, guys. So listen, I think that we're going to consolidate for a bit, and then this is going to be our decision area. Do we manage to get over the top of 70, gain support, yeah, and then move? What wouldn't surprise me, because this kind of bullshit happens all the time, is that we get up here, then we get some Iranian news, and it moves up again, and maybe we just come back up here. And you know that we're talking about this being some kind of three-legged or three-waved, should I say, correction. Then maybe we get that. This is going to be our three waves up to here, and then we come down again. That would make more sense from a market maker point of view, because you know, market makers, if that's going down, who's this is selling, who's buying it, right? If someone's selling here, you got to remember someone's buying this. It's not just sitting in the ether doing nothing. Yeah, someone's now holding all these positions negatively, which is why the market does this, right? As the world retail, this is retail buying. This isn't massive institutions. This is retail buying. So when retail buys, someone is selling to them all the way up here, right? Come calling back for their money. All right, guys and girls. So that is the state of play as far as I can see. Let's see what comes of today. Be mindful that we have broken that structure on the 15-minute. Don't be chasing shorts here. We are at the end of something. Okay? We are at the end of something. Don't be chasing shorts. Anything, look for well-managed longs if we get some pullbacks. Just look at the moment, look at structure and levels more than anything else. I like the fact that we've come up and that we've taken control of the daily open and of VWAP. So yeah, okay. Well, we came into the green box. We've got ourselves a nice little bounce. Look at that. It's a couple of $1,000 bounce. That amazing. Watch for this area here. I'll be back on later on. We've got a bit more data. Tough to, well, when you get these kind of days, it's tough to be, you know, super granular and accurate. You need to let things unfold so we can see exactly what's happening. Alrighty then, that's me done. Lots of love. Taddy buys.